In this lecture, we are going to discuss gradient colors. With the help of gradient colors, we can apply multiple colors as a background color and foreground color of element using gradient colors, right? So there are three ways. We can apply gradient colors in three ways. One is a linear gradient and a radial gradient and conic gradient. Just to observe one example, I will show you. So how it will be visible, right? So without these gradient colors, we can apply only one color as a background, one color. So but when we are using this linear gradient, just to observe one example program. Just this is one example sample program. This is a linear program. So just you observe. So there are multiple colors are there here, multiple colors, right? So automatically it would be adjust automatically, right? Element background color we can set as a element background color, multiple background color, right? Here in this way, this is radial, repeating radial, right? There are three colors are repeating continuously, red, yellow and green, right? In this way. And this is a conic gradient. One color is a particular area and another color is another area. Just this simple example, right? Two colors are repeatingly applied, right? With the help of gradient colors we will be applied. So there are, first we think about linear gradients. What is a linear gradient? So we can apply, with the help of this linear gradient, we can apply multiple colors with the angle and with the side corner. So what are the side corners? Just here you observe the angle, in the sense we are giving as an angle 0 to 180 degrees. So 0 in the sense right side. Suppose this is your window, this is your element area, this is element area. 0 means you are choosing this area, this one 0 degree, right? And 180 means this is your degree, right? 180 means right side and left side. So just observe here, when we are using the side corner, what are the values of the side corner? The totally we are having left, right, center is right, and this is a left, right, center, and within the center the right top, this is a right top, and this one is left top, and this one is center top, right? So and there is one more is there, two shapes are there, one is a circle and one more is ellipse. With the help of these two shapes we can design one different way, right? So with the help of linear gradient we can apply multiple colors. In a color stop list, where you want to, suppose you want to stop the particular area, one color, and this is another color, this is another color. So in this way we can set. Just observe these are, and again one more example I will show here. These are one element area, element width and height. So just so this line is nothing but gradient line. Gradient line, and it would be end point, and it would be start point. And here one thing, with the practical only we would like to get this detail completely, but we never get a exact color and exact shape. It is very difficult, right? So in a real time the companies they design their own unique background color, unique, they are mixed, right? So it is very difficult to find. That's the reason the companies are in MNCs they are using this linear gradients. Just I want to execute this everything. First one is angle, you want to mention angle, otherwise left right, otherwise to right and to left top, to bottom, otherwise circle, ellipse. In this way we will be get. Just I am using this syntax, I'll implement this gradient, right? Linear gradient. Just I want to open browser. So here I want to take, I want to take one new example, colors1.html, shift 1, the sample code. Just I want to go live and this is our p tag lorem. So we are getting some random text, right? This is a random text. So now I want to apply this gradient colors. For that I want to use here style attribute, style equaled. So I want to use, just observe, this is one color. Here what we are placing, to right top it will be adjust the color. Suppose here we are changing the side. So suppose we are changing like left, what happened to left, the color, the first color it will take this side, right? So otherwise I want to take here 180 degrees. What happens, it will take this one. Either I want to choose 60 degrees, then it will be treated. So based on angle we never says exact 1 degrees. And suppose I want to use like 2 to top, and specifically I mention one particular side. You want to use any one like a direction, otherwise side. Just you observe, 2 to bottom, then you will be get like this, to bottom you will be get. So here to bottom, and here I want to use 60 degrees, then what we are getting, any one only you can use, right? So bottom top to bottom. So suppose left top, left to bottom, this is a left to bottom, right? This area it will be up here, left to top, then this area, right? And if you want to use here 50% the value, then what happens, these are 50%, it occupies 50%, right? So either here 20%, then the color would be different, right? Suppose here you want to place here 30%, then what happens, this is a 30%, 20% to and 30%, then what happens, this is a one way, right? And here you observe 30% to 75%, this is a one color, 75%, you will be get like this. And here 75% to how much you want to occupy, right? 95%, then you will be get. In this way we can set, right? In this way we can implement this linear gradient, right? So different colors, suppose here I want to change this color, suppose this one I want to change this one like a yellow, right? Then this one color is up change, right? So here this one color you observe here, this one I want to change with a pink, then you observe like a pink color is there. So this is our choice, we can do that, we can change, update entire thing. So element background color, what happens here, element background color, it adjusts element background color only based on here the colors side, where you want to stop, where you want to exit, the begin up to 20% you apply this color. And suppose I want to place here 70%, then what happens, just observe, this is a 70% text, remaining will be considered automatically, right? We never consider that, right? So here 10, then what happens, just you observe 10%. So that is our wish. Suppose I want to add one more color here, hash this is one color, then you observe here what color, this is one different color, right? So with the help of this linear gradients, we can create multiple background color, gradient background, right? With the help of gradient background color, multiple colors we can adjust and we can design as a background, right? So next one, the repeating linear gradient. Very simple, linear gradient. Very simple. The syntax only update. Just you observe here, syntax update. I want to take one more paragraph tag, one more paragraph. Just you observe here. This is one color, and you can observe. Some color is repeating. Suppose I want to here add, I want to add here to left. Then what happens? This way. Multiple colors. Actually, there is no color. 20% red will be occupy some color and green will be occupy some color. Suppose here I want to change red color to blue color, right? And not a blue, this one, this color I want to change. Then this should be different. We can design left top. Then what happens? This way. We can design our own way. We can design. So based on this angle, otherwise side, you can decide. Suppose 0 degrees. 0 degrees. What happens? This is one color. Suppose I want to use here 180, 150 degrees. These are 150 degrees. 150 degrees means these are one. Not only direct color name, we can also add one RGB way also. This is a green color is there. Just here observe. This is a way we can attach one RGB color. RGB 20%. In this way, we will be get different colors, different background, right? So suppose 90 degrees. I want to take here 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Either I want to take 45 degrees. These are 45 degrees. So in this way we will be get different colors. With the help of linear gradient, what we do, we can design multiple colors as a background with our own shape, right? Next one, radial. With the help of radial gradient we can discuss, right? There is a radial gradient. We can provide the shape, particular shape we can provide, and we can provide the particular size and position. Like a position in the sense the closer corner side and a close set side and a fourth side and corner side. With this one we can be design the position in the sense left, right, center, top, bottom, start, x end, horizontal start and horizontal end. In this way we will be get repeating in the sense just you can the same thing will be repeated the continuously. The same I want to execute this one. So here I want to take one more paragraph and lorem. Just observe. So now we are focusing on radial gradient. Style equaled side, right? Just you observe here. This is one color, right? One particular side, radial gradient, closed side at 60%. Suppose here I am changing the size 20. Then what happens? 20%. Remaining would be block. In a place of block, I want to change. Then this will be different color. In the place of yellow, I want to choose red. Just adding. This is the way we will be get radial background color. In the closet, suppose you want to change the position here we are not giving any position, right? Ending shape, just you observe, ending shape is eclipse. This way we will be get not only eclipse, the circle. This is also one way, right? So left, either you want to x start X start. At the top I want to use top, then this is the top and start. Start is not there and it not supports. Either you want to use bottom. So here in this way we can change, right? This is a background image, the radial gradient, right? So next one, paragraph, and one more we are using. It's very simple one. So here radial gradient, just we are updating with repeating. Then what happens? Repeating gradient I want this way, repeating. The circle is completely repeats in this way. Very difficult, we never remember this all the things, right? So just we can get this code at on Google. You can search the code gradient color and you can type, right? So we need exact color now, so that's the reason we can browse that and you will be get different ways, right? So in a real time definitely we follow existing one, right? So not at all issue. So next one, conic. So here the conic, the next one, the conic gradient. So it is very different. So just you observe, this is a conic one, the one setting certain center point and it will be occupies. In this way we will be get. And one more paragraphs I want to take. So just you observe one more paragraph, right? This is a one color, right? So here and just so we apply style attribute. Just with the help of this we can get. So the gradient colors there is no exact way and we can never follow. We are not getting exact colors and exact symbol, not at all easy this one. But while practicing everything we will be get. But in a real time we get only in as per our company we will get one particular gradient rule and we follow that only. But with the help of this gradient syntax we can design multiple background color. Only it will be applied as an entire background, otherwise as an image, otherwise as a background color. That is our wish. So and one more is also there, we can gradient text is also possible here, gradient text. So how we can, the same way we can write gradient text paragraph and lorem. Just you observe, this is a lorem and here I want to take syntax style. Just here just we will be get, this is a different color, gradient color, the text color would be changed. This is the way we can apply multiple colors as a text also is possible, right? So thank you so much. In this way we will begin learn this gradient color. It's a very difficult, right? There is no exact color. So in this way only you will be get. Why? Because the RGB way we are getting 16 million colors, right? And based on size, based on type, it would be different representation. So this is nothing but gradient and definitely we need to practice more and more. When we are executing a project, when we are creating a project, that situation we can use one or two gradient colors only, but as per company norms only we will be go, right? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.